পুকুরের ধারে এসে আধার হলো মাদার গাছের তলায়।
মৃণালিনী দেবী.
Yes, Mrinalini Devi. Right answer. Put your hands together for Prithviraj. Hands together.
This is from all of your side, okay? This is not only from me, but from all of you. For the continuity.
রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর। মাগো, আমায় ছুটি দিতে বল, সকাল থেকে পড়েছি যে মেলা, এখন আমি তোমার ঘরে বসে করব শুধু পড়া পড়া খেলা। তুমি বলছো দুপুর এখন সবে, না হয় যেন সত্যি হলো তাই, একদিনও কি দুপুর বেলা হলে বিকাল হলে মনে করতে নাই? আমি তো বেশ ভাবতে পারি মনে, সূর্য ডুবে গেছে মাঠের শেষে, বাগদি ভরি চুবড়ি ভরে নিয়ে শাক তুলছে পুকুরের ধারে এসে, আধার হলো মাদার গাছের তলায়, কালি হয়ে এলো দিঘির জল, হাটের থেকে সবাই এলো ফিরে, মাঠের থেকে এলো চাষির দল, মনে করো না উড়লো সাজের তারা।
Good morning, our principal sir, our teachers, and my dear students. At first, I wish you all a very happy Rabindra Jayanti. Rabindranath Tagore was an Indian polymath. He was a poet, writer, philosopher, and musician who is best known for his works in Bengali literature. Tagore was born on May 7, 1861 in Jorashako, Kolkata. He was born in a rich and cultural family. His father was Maharshi Devendranath Tagore and mother was Sharda Devi. His father was a famous Bengali social reformer. He started writing poems from an early age. Apart from fiction, in the form of poetry, songs, stories, and dramas, he also included portrayals of common people's life, literacy criticism, philosophy, and
তোমা ছাড়া এ জগতে মোর কেহ নাই, কিছু নাই গো, আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়, তুমি তাই গো, আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়, তুমি সুখ যদি নাহি পাও, যাও সুখে।
আখির পলকে তোমায় যাবে পাই দেখিতে, ওরে ক্ষণিক আলোকে আখির পলকে তোমায় যাবে পাই দেখিতে, ওরে হারাই হারাই সদা
তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া
Okay. No. So I would like to principal sir, please give a gift. Okay, again put your hand for Kaushik Mandal. তাহলে আমরা
My name is Nirmal Vadai. I am from class 7. The meaning of Shanti Niketan is Shantir Anubhav.
Mrinalini Devi.
yes, Niralevi Devi. Right answer. Put your hands together for Prithviraj. Okay. Tell ma'am give a gift. Okay. Just tell your name and roll number. Sorry, class. Sorry, again.
Hello, my name is Kaushik Rai. I am reading in class 4.
What is the answer?
1913.
1913 is the right answer? Yes, 19. Put your hands together for Kaushik. Okay. Can I launch a CBI case against you? Okay.
My name is Divjay Tanuvdi. I read in class 8. The answer is 18. Not
87.
67. 8 May.
Okay, wrong answer. Gideon, come here.
My name is Gideon Rava. I read in class 5. The answer is 1861.
And the date?
8
8. What? Month?
April.
Totally wrong answer. Okay, next one. Minma, come here. I am getting confused about new date. Then who is the celebrate on the next Rabindranath Jayanti?
My name is Mrinmal Roy. I read in class 7. The answer is 7th May 1861.
7th May 1860. Is it right answer? Yes. So, what is the name of our Vice President? What is the name of our Vice President?
Priya Roy. I read in class 4. The answer is Jagdeep Dhankar.
Answer is Jagdeep Dhankar. Is it right answer? Yes. So put your hands together. Okay. Take a gift from Ravi sir. Next question from class 6 to 8. In which year Rabindranath Tagore passed away? রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর কবে কত সালে মারা গিয়েছিল?
My name is Sithanshu Sarkar. I read in class 7. The answer is 7th August 1941.
Is it right answer? Yes. Anyone from class 8? রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর বাংলার কত তারিখে মারা গিয়েছিল? Class 7. Class 7. One Bengali film is there. Same name.
My name is Meghangi Sarkar. I study in class 8. Baisha Srabon.
Yes, right answer. So we can give opportunity to the new student also. Is it or not? Okay. Are you appreciated with that? Okay. In your name.
My name is Aramika Mondor. I read in class 4. The answer is Sharoda Devi.
Sharda Devi is the right answer, right? Yes. Put your hands together for Anamika.
Madip Das. I read in class 7. 1915.
Yes, right answer 1915. Class 2. Rahim sir will decide who will ask the question. Say the answer name.
Janagana.
Name, your name, Janagana? What is your name?
I am Indian Raba.
Which class?
2.
What is your national anthem?
Janagana.
Janagana Mana, right? Yes. Is it right answer? Yes.
My name is Arohita Sarkar. I am reading in class 4. The answer is Amar Sonar Bangla.
What is the name? Amar Sonar Bangla is the national anthem of Bangladesh. Put your hands together for Arohita Sarkar.
My name is Saptasi Rai and I read in class 7. The answer is Buenos Aires.
Yes, Buenos Aires. What is the capital of Argentina? Buenos Aires. Put your hands.
My name is Roshan Chetri. I am from class 6. The answer is Bhanu Singho Thakur.
Yes, right answer. Bhanu Singho Thakur. Put your hands together for Roshni Chetri.
Aristotle.
Good name.
Mr. Das. I am from class 7.
What is the answer?
Aristotle.
Yes, Aristotle. Who is the father of biology? Aristotle. Who is they celebrate as a Constitution Day? Chitradeep, come here then.
My name is Chitradeep Mandal and I study in class 8. So 29 November.
29 November. No, wrong answer.
26 November 1950.
Hands together for Kya. So we celebrate.